Okay, so in this video we will discuss about ICD 10. So ICD 10, ICD actually it is International Classification of Disease. International Classification of Disease, right? 10. So it is actually a WHO classification for all diseases and health problems, not only psychiatric disorders. It is actually it considers all diseases and health problems, right? They uses alpha code with an alphabet, right? Now for specific mental disorders they use this alphabet F, right? So there are mainly 10 categories. If we talk about mental illnesses, there are 10 categories and they all come with an alphabet F. So we are going to see these codes one by one, particularly of your mental illnesses, right? Because this topic has been asked, right? So first we'll see, here I will write code and here I will write category of mental illness, right? So like here I will write F0. It is organic, including symptomatic mental disorders, but in short I can write organic, right? F0. F1 mental disorders related to substance abuse. Here I am writing that the F word, the F is used for mental illnesses, right? The alphabet F is for mental illnesses. So F0 for organic mental disorders, F1 for substance abuse related mental disorders, right? Now F2 is mainly for schizophrenia and schizotypal and delusional disorders, right? Schizotypal is actually a personality trait and delusion, correct. Now moving on, we have F3. F3 is your mood, or we can say affective disorders. Right. Now it is F4. F4 is your neurotic, stress related and somatoform disorders. Somatoform means there is a complaint of bodily illness, right? Bodily symptoms. So this comes under F4. Okay. Then is your F5. F5 is your behavioral syndromes. So these are associated with psychology, physiological disturbances and other physical factors. So you can remember it as behavioral syndromes, right? Then is your F6. This is your disorder. These are disorders of adult personality and behavior. So actually this constitutes all the personality traits, right? Now F7 is your mental retardation. This is important. F8 is your disorders of psychological development. And F9 is your behavioral and emotional disorders in childhood or adolescence. So we'll try to revise it, right? Once again, this one is also important, has been asked, right? F0 is organic mental illness. F1 is your mental illness related to substance abuse, right? F2 is your schizophrenia, schizotypal and other delusional illness. F3 is your mood or affective disorders. F4 is neurotic stress somatiform disorders. F5 is your behavioral syndromes. F6 is your personality traits of adult and behavioral symptoms as well. F7 is your mental retardation. F8 is your psychological development disorders. F9 is your behavioral emotional disorders in childhood or adolescence. So this concludes your ICD-10 classification of mental illness, right? So